છે આપણી જોડે ઘર છે પણ આપણી જોડે આપણી એવરીથિંગ લાઈક આઈ હેવ ક્લોઝ એન્ડ બટ જે લોકો નીડી પીપલ છે જેમની પાસે કંઈ નથી આવતું એ લોકોને આપણે ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કર્યું છે જાણવા માટે કે લાઈક વી નીડ ટુ કેર એન્ડ કેર ઇઝ start of the thing.
So it was like a really interesting experience as we saw like all the homeless living. A lot of them ask for them like in front. That means like they're suffering a lot. So it's really good to give back. And yeah, that's basically it.
And how do you apply that in your real life?
So that basically, you know, stuff that we take for granted, it basically like tells us that we shouldn't take it for granted and we should like take it as a pleasure or like a gift from God. As there's a lot of people struggling over here, so we should stop taking stuff for granted.